Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Tuesday to each and every one of you. Today is the 26th of May. Welcome to it. And there are 3 days of school remaining. This is my video for both Core and for AVID. My good things for today are these two. Greta and Georgia, say hi, Bugs. All right, thank you. Go. Okay, so this is my video for both Core and AVID. Let's look at a couple of things. Number one, I am not making a assignment guide for this week for either Core or for AVID, so I'm not showing that to you right now. AVID kids, let's start with you because I usually start with Core. I will be sending you this presentation. Look it over. Please send me any thoughts and comments on it. This is probably going to be your only actual assignment for this week. That's that. Core kids, you should now be done with the Outsiders. Please take your Outsiders reading responses. Actually, this might not be the one you guys are working on, but the one that you are working on from Haiku that I sent to you, etc. You need to submit that today by 3 o'clock. Your Outsiders reader responses are due by 3 o'clock today. Make sure you take care of that. Okay, and that's pretty much all I have to share except for 2 things. Number one, Core kids, on Thursday, the last day of school, I will be hosting a live viewing of the Outsiders. I need to figure out how to get that onto my computer because I don't have iTunes on this computer, and that's how I usually show it. But hopefully by Thursday I'll have that figured out. I will host a Google Meet where I will play the video, and you guys can socialize with your classmates and stuff via the comments section or the chat section in that Google Meet. So that is Thursday, the day after tomorrow. I didn't really think of a time to do that, but let's say that we will start at 9:30 in the morning. Okay? Like I said, Core AVID kids, that this presentation probably your last assignment of the year. I'll probably record another video for you on Thursday. I think that is it. If you have any assignments that you have not yet turned in, get them to me as soon as possible. I will be completing grades either today or tomorrow. I do have some good things to share. These are from last Friday. My goose, salmon, Nutella, pants, alphabet grass, keeper of the lost cities, making money from YouTube, Springlock failure webtoons, filming videos, the last week of school, uncles, strawberries and salt water, peach mint, and Texas. So that's it. Please enjoy this last week of school. AVID kids, watch that presentation. Core kids, finish up your Outsiders and submit that today. I will put an assignment on Google Classroom and send that out in just a few minutes along with this video. That's it. Bye-bye.